This is the FORIOUS kitchen faucet with the pull down sprayer. I've had it for about 3 weeks now. I've enjoyed it, so I figured I'd share it with you, but let me just show you how this works. The faucet itself is actually pretty light and airy. This is not a heavy device. It's stainless steel design, and it sits about 17.2 inches tall. Very easy. Down is hot, up is cold. The water is fairly aerated, and my kids absolutely love to do this. Look at how long this hose is. So they can come in here and use this like a water fountain, and they absolutely love it. Now, as for the pull down segment of it, it's really long. I mean, I could literally pull this all the way over this way, past my sink, and this is actually pretty cool. So how this works is it's got a countersink weight underneath the sink. And so when you pull down, the weight goes up and then the weight pulls it back up. It is not rocket science. And that's what made the installation so simple. You really just have to make sure that the diameter of this matches the hole in your sink. And if it does, you're really good to go. I'd say the installation took us about, I don't know, 15 minutes. It wasn't rocket science. Even I was able to figure it out, which is saying something. But my favorite part of it is this stream for getting the hard gook off of fruits and bowls. This is a really, really nice stream. I don't have a ton of water pressure in my area, but look at that. It makes washing bowls so easy. But I think really where the magic is they didn't put any holes in the middle. All the holes are on the outside. But when it comes down to stream, just the overall look, I've touched this a ton, and I haven't cleaned this more than twice in the last 3 weeks. And I haven't gotten a ton of fingerprints on this either. Been really happy with it. So if you're looking for a faucet, don't hesitate to get this one.